this project is really important to my students, or has been an important experience, I think, because of, number one, the social interaction. I think the interaction with same-age peers, I think that students they're interacting with my students on a peer-to-peer level. They're not acting as if they're directing their project. They're just encouraging them peer-to-peer. Also, the leisure skills are phenomenal. We've had one student who wouldn't draw, who is now really taking the time to draw. But I think that one of the most interesting pieces to all of this, and it's making me really curious, is the one student who drew concentric circles and filled the page. And now he leaves the open spaces to create his shape, but still draws all his circles. And it's such an insight to the way that, you know, how does he visualize his world? You know, I can't answer that, but it's a real curiosity. And so I think the work that you've done to really explore how these guys are perceiving visually is so interesting to me. So it's been an incredible project on a lot of different levels.